Hello? This is a call for love at the edge of the world. This is our story.
Every journey begins with a single step. It could be a step that we take in a very ordinary way, but we'll never know where a simple single step may lead us into.
The way he makes me laugh maybe was the thing that made me took the step. He makes me not afraid of having a bad day because I know that he will turn it into a beautiful one. He is my biggest supporter, wisest advisor.
The most independent girl I know there is. Make me finally sure that she is the kind of mom I want my kids will have.